Welcome back, everybody. Thought maybe you'd want to see a TP holder being put in. So I'm going to share it with you. First, you want to take your holder and put it up about where you'll be comfortable. Now, as I get older, I get cramps when I bend around, so I like the toilet paper holder to be somewhere I can reach it conveniently without getting a cramp for 10 minutes. So we're going to go with about right here. Okay. So we're going to make a mark on the inside here. Then we're going to take my level. I got a level here I marked 6 inches. I marked 6 inches on it. Okay, so I know once I get where my mark is here, I'm going to get a level line. Make sure bubbles in the middle. You're going to make a mark here. Oh, sorry. Slipped. So you're making a mark here, and you're making a mark here. Horizontal and perpendicular. Okay? And that's where the center on these brackets that hold it in place, there's a center hole there. That's where it's going to go. Right here. You're going to put that right on the cross you made in there, and you're going to make 2 marks. Again on this side, make 2 marks. Now I never like using these anchors, so I usually have some of these anchors on board. These are much more reliable and secure. So sometimes you hit a stud, so you don't have to worry about the anchors. So that's not a stud. Ones that aren't studs, we're going to take and put our anchors in. 1. Got a little aggressive on that one. Okay. Now there's a stud there, so set that one in. Make sure this thing is pretty much level, because you're going to put your standard on for this. So here, hit this side, and then we're going to hit this side where we put our anchors. These anchors hold it so much better. I hardly ever use those sink ones. Then you got your these little set screws. They set it on there. So here, you're going to tighten up your set screws, and then you're going to sit your toilet paper holder in place. There you go.